Welcome everyone to another wonderful episode here at Doctors of Podiatry. Close the door. Are you all set? Excellent. This is a very interesting case. This is a young patient who returns to our office, just for his routine nail care. Interestingly, the wife has notified me that the left great toenail plate looks a little bit funky, right? Looks a little bit bizarre.
Absolutely.
Right? That's essentially what it is. It appears that there are two nails. One is growing on top of the other. So what we're gonna go ahead and do today, without further ado, debride everything, inspect, and see how we can address this little clinical scenario, okay? Let's go. Okay, everyone, so this is what we're up against here. Basically, this is a very discolored, dystrophic nail plate. There is subungual debris right underneath. You guys can all see that. But what's interesting is that there's a new nail plate growing underneath. Okay. As we all know, the nail root is back here underneath the proximal nail fold. Okay. So the new nail is growing exactly from this location. Okay. So without further ado, let's start trimming, debriding this nail. Okay. And sometimes I like to start from the back. You see that? Very carefully. You see that, guys? I am using the larger nail nipper. Okay. So, the entire nail plate, let me turn this way a little bit. The entire nail plate is essentially loose. So we'll slowly, see that? Wait. There's no question there's a lot of subungual debris. There's gooky stuff. Gooky.
I didn't know a nail could grow under a nail.
Absolutely. We see this a lot.
I had no idea.
Absolutely.
I was putting that medicine on there saying this isn't doing any good. I have to do this. See what else I can do here.
So I really try to remove and clean as much as I can. The new nail is already back there. Okay.
Wow.
So I have here my little tissue nipper.
I see.
Not
little.
nipper, nipper.
Nippa.
Nipper.
Oh, okay.
Okay, we're just gonna.
So the girl in the nail salon calls it a nipper.
Yeah.
That's where I got that from.
We're
Which I
gonna go.
don't use. I don't like them cutting cuticles. Ooh.
Oh, watch out. I'm just carefully removing a little bit of this debris. Well, that definitely got on my hair.
Yes, it did, and it just dropped out.
Oh, it did?
Yes, it
Okay,
did.
good,
It
good,
dropped out
good.
on the floor. It just.
I mean, I do use
didn't-
Vidal Sassoon at night.
I was gonna say I have a little dandruff, but it's just
Eh,
down there.
Yeah, why not?
It's on the floor.
Exactly. Okay. Let's give it a little scrub. So distally here, this is nail. Okay. There's a combination of rough, tough, callous connective tissue.
Okay.
Yep.
Oh my goodness. That's an improvement.
In this area here, we'll clean up a little bit. And again, the new nail, for all the viewers, the new nail is already proximal here. When I press here, that's nail. Okay? The new nail, his nails grow pretty fast, right?
Yeah. Yeah, they do.
Even at 88
in 3 days.
Right.
Yes, 87.
Right, so, you know, it'll take a couple months before the new nail grows out.
Okay.
Okay.
Completely. All right.
So, I mean, this is definitely interesting. And again, we do see this a lot. People from all walks of life, marathon runners, people that hike, even people that unfortunately use improper shoe gear. Their shoes are too tight.
I was just going to ask you, is something he's doing could have caused this?
Possibly. Absolutely. An injury, maybe not. Multifactorial. Okay. We're all done. All set. We gotta bring you down, my friend. You just can't just spread your wings and go. Again, this clinical presentation very commonly seen, right? 2 nails. The body automatically knows that when we'll just say the original nail is damaged for whatever reason, it's like instant, boom, the brain says, we need a new nail. And that's when the whole, the entire process starts. So as the new nail, make believe this is the old nail, this is the new nail, it kind of goes like this. Excuse me, you got to get out of the way. Let me go underneath. And then goes out. And that's exactly what we see here. The new nail starts to grow out, pushes the old one, and you're very, very lucky. I'll tell you why. So a lot of people that come here, with a bloody toe as a result of what? They tried, for example, putting on a pair of socks. The sock grabbed the nail and did what? Right? And that could have easily happened to you, but it didn't. That's why you're very fortunate you came here today, because we addressed the problem before it became a problem. We will continue to do what we do, continue to educate the world that these clinical presentations do exist. Subsequent treatment is very, very important. Prevention is the key. Would you like to say anything else?
I'm just listening.
You're just listening. Okay, I mean that's fair. That's fair. As always, thank you for watching.